Let's be honest, cleaning is never easy. But when you're older, living with a disability, or carrying daily pain, even the smallest household chores can feel like climbing a mountain. Bending down to scrub, stretching to reach, pushing heavy vacuums. These tasks aren't just exhausting, they can be painful, even dangerous. And yet we all want our homes to feel fresh, calm, and welcoming. A clean space isn't just about appearances, it's about dignity, safety, and peace of mind. The good news is, cleaning doesn't have to mean wearing yourself out. With the right tricks, tools, and mindset, you can keep your home clean without draining your energy. Today, I want to share 10 lazy but effective cleaning hacks designed especially for seniors, people with disabilities, and anyone living with chronic pain. These are not about perfection. They're about making life easier, safer, and more comfortable, while still enjoying a home that feels cared for. 1. Use long-handled tools to avoid bending and reaching. One of the hardest parts of cleaning is bending down to scrub floors or stretching to dust shelves. For someone with arthritis, back pain, or limited mobility, that motion can cause days of soreness. The solution is simple. Invest in long-handled tools. Long-handled dusters, mops, and brushes allow you to clean surfaces while standing comfortably. Many of these tools are lightweight and extendable, so you can reach ceiling corners or baseboards without straining. Some even bend at the end, letting you angle the brush exactly where you need it. It may feel like a small change, but it makes cleaning safer and significantly less painful. 2. Sit while you clean. Who said cleaning has to mean standing? Many tasks, folding laundry, wiping down counters, even peeling vegetables for dinner, can be done sitting down. Use a sturdy chair, rolling stool, or even a mobility aid with a seat to turn standing chores into sitting chores. If vacuuming or sweeping feels difficult, try working in sections. Clean one small area while standing, then sit to rest. Come back to the next section later. The goal isn't to do it all at once. It's to clean without hurting yourself. 3. Break tasks into 5 or 10-minute sessions. When you're in pain, cleaning for an hour straight is not realistic. But 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that feels doable. The trick is to break larger tasks into smaller ones and spread them throughout the day or week. Instead of saying, I need to clean the whole bathroom, decide, I'll wipe the sink today. Tomorrow I'll clean the mirror. The next day I'll mop the floor. Over a week, the whole bathroom will be fresh, without leaving you exhausted or in pain. This method turns cleaning into bite-sized tasks. It also creates a sense of accomplishment every day without overwhelming pressure. 4. Use cleaning wipes and sprays for quick touch-ups. Sometimes the hardest part of cleaning isn't the scrubbing. It's gathering supplies, filling buckets, or wringing out cloths. Disposable cleaning wipes or spray and wipe cleaners simplify the process. Keep a container of wipes in the bathroom, kitchen, and living room. That way, if you notice a spot on the counter or a smudge on the table, you can wipe it right away without turning it into a big chore. For those who prefer reusable options, microfiber cloths paired with all-purpose spray are just as easy and eco-friendly. Little wipe-downs done often prevent big messes later. Invest in lightweight, cordless vacuums or robot cleaners. Dragging a heavy vacuum through the house is painful, especially if you struggle with mobility. Today's lightweight cordless vacuums are a game-changer. They're slim, easy to maneuver, and can clean carpets, hard floors, and even upholstery with minimal effort. For those who want to take it even further, robot vacuums do the work for you. Set them on a schedule, and they'll quietly keep floors dust and crumb-free. While they may not replace deep cleaning, they significantly reduce the need for daily sweeping or vacuuming. Think of them as silent little helpers that work while you rest. Best to use baking soda and vinegar for easy, pain-free cleaning. Harsh chemicals often require scrubbing and can irritate lungs or skin. But simple household ingredients like baking soda and vinegar do a lot of the work for you. For drains, pour baking soda followed by vinegar. Let it bubble, then rinse with hot water. No plunging required. For stovetops, sprinkle baking soda, spray vinegar, let it sit, then wipe. Grease and stains come off without scrubbing. For sinks and tubs, a paste of baking soda and water gently lifts stains and freshens without harsh scrubbing. These methods let the ingredients do the work while you rest. 7. Declutter to make cleaning easier. Here's a secret. The less you own, the less you clean. Every extra item on the counter collects dust. Every unnecessary knick-knack means more surfaces to wipe. Decluttering doesn't have to mean parting with treasured belongings. It means choosing what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't. Even clearing one shelf or one drawer a week reduces the workload. A tidy space not only makes cleaning easier, it also reduces tripping hazards, making your home safer. For seniors and those with mobility challenges, safety is as important as cleanliness. 8. Keep supplies within easy reach. Walking back and forth to gather cleaning products wastes energy. Instead, store supplies where you use them. Keep bathroom cleaners under the sink, kitchen sprays in a cabinet near the stove, and dusters in the living room. Consider making small cleaning kits for each room, with just the basics: a spray, a cloth, maybe a duster. That way, when you spot a mess, you can take care of it immediately without adding the burden of searching for supplies. 9. Embrace good enough cleaning. Perfection is not the goal. When you're older or living with pain, chasing spotless rooms only adds stress. Instead, focus on what makes the biggest difference: clean counters, tidy floors, fresh-smelling air, and clutter-free spaces. Ask yourself, what small thing will make this room feel clean to me right now? Maybe it's wiping the kitchen table. Maybe it's vacuuming just the entryway. By embracing good enough, you free yourself from unrealistic expectations while still enjoying a comfortable home. 10. Ask for help and use services. This last hack is perhaps the most important. Cleaning isn't a test of independence. It's okay to ask for help. Family members, friends, or community services often want to lend a hand. Professional cleaners, even once a month, can handle the heavy tasks, so you only focus on light maintenance. For seniors or those with disabilities, help isn't weakness. It's wisdom. It's saying, my health matters more than scrubbing floors. By using help strategically, you conserve energy for what truly brings joy. Why these hacks matter. A clean home isn't just about appearances. It affects mood, health, and safety. Dust-free air reduces allergies. Clutter-free floors prevent falls. Tidy spaces bring peace of mind. For seniors and people living with pain, these small hacks preserve independence and dignity while preventing unnecessary strain. The real beauty of these hacks is that they're designed to be lazy, but effective. They don't ask you to scrub for hours or chase impossible perfection. They respect your body's limits while still honoring your desire for a clean, welcoming home. After 65, or when you live with disability or pain, cleaning can feel like an impossible task. But with the right approach, it becomes manageable, even empowering. Long-handled tools, short cleaning sessions, wipes for quick touch-ups, robot helpers, natural cleaners, decluttering and asking for help. These aren't shortcuts, they're strategies. You don't need to exhaust yourself to live in a home that feels peaceful. You just need to clean smarter, not harder. And remember, your worth is not measured by spotless floors or sparkling counters. Your worth is measured by the life you've built, the love you share, and the wisdom you carry. So try one hack this week, just one. See how it feels. Then add another when you're ready. Step by step, you'll discover that even with pain or limitations, your home can still be a place of comfort, pride, and calm. Because you deserve that every single day.